CPA Grip is the #1 leading affiliate cost per action program. Everyone is talking about this. And not only are they talking about it, but they are cashing out daily from this website. But people are also complaining about getting only clicks and no leads on their offers, thereby making no money. Well, this is because they use the wrong methods to promote their offers. If you stick with me throughout this video, best bet is that won't be a problem for you and you would steadily be getting leads as well as cashing out daily from this site. So what's the hype about CPA Grip? CPA Grip is a website that pays up to $2 per action your referral makes. Now these actions can be answering surveys, submitting emails or zip codes, downloading apps, but they don't require purchasing a particular product. If you want to know more about CPA Grip, how to sign up on the website and create your affiliate links, then check out the part 1 of this video, which is a guide to CPA Grip. The link will appear right now, or you can check the description and pinned comments. So this is the part 2 of this series, Making Money with CPA Grip. If you are watching this video right now, I'm sure you already know a bit of information about CPA Grip, but just knowing about the website and how to get your offer link won't get you anywhere. The deal is getting hundreds of people to click on your link every day. That still isn't enough, but to earn hundreds of dollars every day, you have to make sure you get hundreds of people to complete an action on your link. Because like I said in the part 1 of this video, CPA Grip offers a scam. No one is going to get paid $500 PayPal gift card. These offers aren't real, so it's hard for sensible people on the internet to fall for your links. And most times, if at all you get clicks, when people see they have to submit emails, phone numbers and do bunch of surveys, their first instinct is this is a big scam, so they back off immediately. I've seen people on the internet complain about getting thousands of links but just about 10 leads. And without leads, you can't get paid. If you watch this video to the end, I guarantee you getting leads won't be a problem for you. So in this video, we have 2 sections. First is how to get clicks, while the second is how to get leads, which in return gives you money. The first on our list for section 1, which is how to get clicks, is a very popular social media platform. I discussed this particular method in the part 1 of this video as a bonus tip for those who watched the video to the end. So if you want to know the app I'm talking about, make sure to check out the part 1 of this video. The second on our list is Facebook. Currently, Facebook is the #1 social media platform. There are over 2 billion people logged on the app. So for me, this is the best app to market your affiliate program. To make good use of this method, you need to log into your CPA Grip account, pick an offer that you know will be marketable on Facebook, an offer that will make people surely click your link, even if you're not 100% sure they'll get you leads, but there's no harm in trying, right? So you can get about 5 offers. Then next is to create a Facebook account. If you already have a personal account, I would suggest you create another account. So in case your links get reported a lot of times, at least your personal account won't be the one getting banned, only the other accounts. Now you might be wondering why will your account even get reported, talk less of getting banned. In the part 1 of this video, I explained that CPA Grip offers a scam and that links aren't safe because they lead to websites that most likely kind of steal your information. So first of all, Facebook won't let you post the raw links. You have to use another website to shorten the link and make it safe, which I showed how to in the part 1 of this video. After you are able to shorten the link, when people eventually get drawn to your Facebook post, click on your link, do the action and don't end up getting any gift card or reward, they'll be angry obviously and end up reporting your post to account, which will lead to your account being banned or temporarily suspended. That's why it's advisable to create a new account. So after you might have shortened your link, I would advise you to join groups that are related to the offers you are promoting. Some groups have over 20,000 members, so that way you are sure that at least thousands of people will come across your post on the group. Now another problem is some group admins always thoroughly check the post to make sure your offers are legit. So if you perhaps post your offer link on the group and the admins realize your offers are scam, you most likely get banned from the group, but your post will surely not be uploaded on the group. To bypass this, I would suggest you create a post explaining what your offer is about. Make sure the post is catchy and tell people if they want to know more about your offer or win whatever giveaway your offer is offering, they should send you a direct message. This way, the admins don't know if your offer is actually scam or not, and you most likely receive hundreds of DMs of eager people who want to know more about your offer. The third method is a combination of two social media apps, Instagram and Twitter. These two apps are almost the same. The only difference is Twitter allows you to type only messages anytime, but with Instagram, you are limited to only pictures and videos. First step to promote your offer on these two apps is creating a design for your offer. You can use Canva as there are hundreds of templates to choose from. Make sure the design is catchy, then upload the design to your account. For Instagram, unfortunately, you can't put links on each post, so you have to create a bio link using linktree.com. This bio link will allow you to link more than 5 offers. Then you put your Linktree link in your Instagram bio. So after posting on your account, refer your followers to check out the link in your bio to access the offer. But with using Instagram, my favorite method is using Reels, because this way your video can reach thousands of people that don't follow you. You can either go to CapCut and create a short video explaining your offer using different pictures, or you can just use one stable picture in the video. You can also decide to do a voiceover or not, but I would advise doing a voiceover with different slides in the video. This way you can engage your viewers. For Twitter, unfortunately, promoting affiliate links is hard if you don't have a good following base. Without a good amount of followers, you have no one to retweet your tweet, hence your tweet will be getting really low likes and retweets, and I'm sure this isn't what you want. So first you have to build your Twitter account. If you want to skip the building process, you can make people engage in your post by using trending hashtags and words in your tweets. For example, BTS is always a trending hashtag or topic. So after writing my offer at the bottom, I'm going to add BTS and some of the members' name. This way, anyone that searches for BTS on Twitter will have more than 50% probability of seeing my tweet, and they just might be interested in my offer. The fourth method is joining WhatsApp groups. As an affiliate marketer, I recently came across this method, and so far I've been enjoying it. So do you know there are lots of WhatsApp groups out there solely for the purpose of different topics like fashion, entertainment, liking Instagram posts, and many more. The best part is these groups literally have over 500 members each, so that means hundreds of people will be daily viewing your messages on the group. To join these WhatsApp groups, all you need to do is go to your browser, search for giveaway WhatsApp group links. Now I will click on the first website that comes up, and as you can see there are over 1,300 WhatsApp group links. So now I'm just going to scroll down and select one WhatsApp group link and join the group. So this WhatsApp group has 546 members, but sadly the group is locked by the admin. But not to worry, there are many other groups that are open for anyone to send a message. Also, you can search for other types of groups like Amazon groups, PayPal gift card groups, and many more. Another bonus method is using Telegram. Telegram works similarly to WhatsApp, so just apply the WhatsApp instructions to your Telegram method and you are good to go. The fifth on our list is using this very app you are watching this video from right now, YouTube. Daily, I've realized there are thousands of people on the internet searching for how to get Amazon gift cards, free PayPal cash, free clothes. By the way, if you want to know how to get free clothes from SHEIN, I uploaded a video explaining how to get free clothes on SHEIN, so make sure to check out the video. Link will appear right now and in the description below. So back to what I was saying. Basically, people are always surfing the internet looking for how to get free stuffs. Unfortunately, these people fall victim to fake offers like CPA Grip, how some offers are actually true. So you have to make good use of this opportunity and get people to click on your giveaway affiliate link. So what you have to do is create a video using CapCut or any editing app of your choice. The video has to explain what your offer is about and how they can get whatever you're offering. I don't think I need to repeat this, but your video has to be engaging for the viewers and listeners. After you might have created this video, upload to YouTube with a catchy thumbnail and title. Next is to create a reel using that particular YouTube video. Luckily, YouTube has made it easier for us to turn a particular clip of our YouTube video into a reel, so do just that. Now this is a win-win for you, because when people watch your video and perform actions on your link, not only will you be paid on your CPA Grip account, but you are also indirectly getting subscribers and more views on your YouTube channel. For your affiliate link, You can post them in the caption or comment section, but make sure you pin the comment. You can also put your Linktree link in your channel about description. Our sixth method is using Quora, Reddit, and other answering websites. Log into this website, Quora for example, create an account, look for questions that are similar to your offers, give well-detailed answers, and add your link to the answers. Unfortunately, Quora isn't a supporter of putting direct links in your answers, and the only way you can get allowed by Quora to put your link in your answer is if your answer is long enough, about 3 paragraphs to a well-detailed answer. If your answer is very short and you put in your link, you are 90% most likely going to get your post deleted, and if you keep on doing this too much, then you are definitely signing up to get your account banned permanently. If you feel you don't have a 3-paragraph answer to a question asking, please, I need an Amazon gift card, then you can just put your Linktree link in your bio and refer people to check out your offers or giveaways by clicking the link in your bio. That way, you won't get on Quora admin's nerves. The last method is using a website. You might have been expecting this method to be among the first 3 methods, or even the first, but the down part about this method is not many people have access to websites. Creating a website is a whole new different topic, and is it really worth it? Paying someone to build a website for you, investing money in domain name and SEO, spending hours writing blog posts, adding affiliate links, and at the end of it all, you don't even get enough leads to make money. This website method is only useful for people who already have websites or are bloggers. This way you are killing a bird with 2 stones. Yes, I know I got the quote wrong, but in this case, the bird is your money, the first stone is your blog, while the second stone is your affiliate offer. But if your only aim is to make money with affiliate, and you are not really a blogger, then it's better to use the remaining methods I listed before. I know in the beginning, I said this video was going to be in 2 sections. First on how to get clicks and second on how to get leads. Well, unfortunately, this video is actually longer than I expected, and I for one don't like doing long videos so as not to bore you, my viewers. So this video is officially extended to part 3. This part 2 is solely on how to get clicks, and I guarantee you, if you actually use my methods, you are definitely going to get lots of clicks. But clicks aren't enough to make money. You need leads. That's why I'm going to take my time to explain in the part 3 of this video on how to get leads, which will be turned into money on your affiliate account. Also, if you notice, throughout many parts of this video, I kept on mentioning that CPA Grip offers are scam, and you are not definitely going to get any $500 PayPal gift card or whatever offer they tell you they're going to give you. But do you know there's a way you can actually create your own offer, so that whenever someone performs an action on your affiliate link, they are actually giving the exact offer they are promised. Now, these offers can be gift cards to spend anywhere, or even online audiobooks. So make sure to watch the part 3. The link will appear right now, and you can also check the description for the part 3 link. But for making it this far, you deserve a hint on how to get leads. Now, this hint is paying people to perform an action on your affiliate link. Take for example, an offer pays you $2 per action, meaning you can employ someone and pay the person $0.5 to perform an action for you, which means your profit will be $1.5, which is actually okay. You can join Facebook freelancing groups, post available jobs, and pay people via PayPal or any other payment method of your choice for completing these actions. But there's a particular site that allows you to pay people for as low as $0.3 to perform an action for you. This site will be discussed in the part 3 of this series, how to make money with CPA Grip affiliate marketing. We've come to the end of this video. If you found this video useful, please make sure to support me by giving this video a thumbs up, subscribing to my channel, sharing my video to your family and friends, or referring people to my channel. Also, make sure you turn on post notifications so when I upload a new video on how to make money, you'll be among the first to be alerted and start earning instantly. And lastly, let me know your thoughts about CPA Grip and the methods I explained in this video. Don't forget to check out the parts 1 and part 3 of this video. Also check out my other money making methods. Goodbye and have an amazing day.